Welcome. In this video, we will cover how to add and verify logs. Adding and verifying logs in order to stay compliant is quite simple. To begin, drivers will need to navigate to the Logs section of the HOS feature. If a log needs to be added, drivers will simply click the Add Log button. From here, drivers will edit the duty status, the date and time, the vehicle, and then we'll need to add an annotation. We'll click the Add button, and you have added a log. Keep in mind that you will not be able to add a log during a time that the ELD recorded an automatic log. The other thing drivers can do from the Logs page is to verify logs. First, you'll need to select the date that you wish to verify for by using the arrows on either side of the date field at the top of the screen. Once you have the date you wish to verify for, simply review all of the logs on that given day and click the Verify button and then agree. That's all we have for this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.